Hi, welcome to my vlog. Let me show you our evening in the Captain's Circle Lounge, and also we went back to the Crown Grill, which was fantastic. I hope you enjoy. So we had never cruised with Princess before, but somehow only a selection of my Peninsula Club points on P&O had transferred over. So thank you for that, Princess. So we're not the top tier yet. I think that's elite, but we're not far off, to be fair, which is weird considering we never sailed with them. But anyway, so we are platinum at the moment, and we were invited, well, everyone in platinum and elite and suites, I think, invited to this special event. It's every evening in a venue on the ship between 5 and 7, where there is nice music. The loyalty staff are around, and you can enjoy a drink and a nibble whilst listening to the music and relaxing in a more of an exclusive venue, which is very nice. So thank you, Princess. So here's the buffet of little nibbles, and there were some healthy bits and pieces. See some sushi there. These were stuffed mushrooms that were warm and really nice. And obviously at the moment with COVID, you wait for the waiter who's there to pick the food for you, rather than everyone hands in and more risk of spreading the disease. So yeah, lovely spread. Thanks, Princess. Dave's still down there getting food. It's formal night, and I don't know, an elite princess party. I'm in my Cunard gold dress for Royal Cunard ball. We're in the elite lounge, Princess Circle, Captain Circle. That's it. Oh, the gentleman playing the piano. It's quite quiet in this event. I do like the mushrooms and the crudites. No, G&T too. We're in the wheelhouse, the bar of the Crown Grill, having some pre-dinner drinkies after our snog party. I ordered on the medallion app, but the waiter was like, "Which one did you order?" And then he's brought it along. I can see Dave's is coming now as well.
This is my cider.
I haven't sipped it yet.
No, I think because the color is the same.
Similar, yeah.
I served today,
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'd stolen Dave's cocktail. I'll go steal his straw.
Thank you.
They do actually look very similar.
That's aptly.
Huh?
Very aptly.
Very aptly. So I'm sure mine is very elderflowery. I don't understand how these waiters, bless them, know the difference between them all. They're very, very talented like that. Especially when they all look similar, like colours. But we're people watching here as well, as people walk past. People are looking mighty fine in their glad raddocks. It's formal night tonight. We're going for dinner soon in Concerto, I think.
It's just a fruit salad.
To be honest, I thought it was a pina colada with an apple in it.
I thought that was I thought that's white meat.
This is the chilled soup.
Alright.
No, goat's cheese salad. This looks nice.
Smells nice.
There's lamb. What was it?
Banana Foster.
Banana Foster. Wow. Then I don't like desserts so much. I mean, I do like desserts, but I'm more saying Regal, so I'm going to have some fruit. Right. With Princess Plus, we did find ourselves having after-dinner cocktails on a few nights, but we're on holiday, and they were delicious, especially these two. Kind of creamy martinis definitely recommend you trying. When I'm on Sky Princess in January, I think I will do more of a vlog about different cocktails, but probably a vlog made up over the 2 weeks of cocktails rather than one night of cocktails, because that won't go well. Well, thanks for watching my vlog. Tune in next week for more Regal Princess vlogs. I think there are 2 more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.